Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw consulting payments using Paymaster and ACH. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw consulting payments using Paymaster and ACH, start by logging into your Paymaster account. Ensure you have completed the necessary verification requirements. Navigate to the Payments section on the dashboard. Locate the Withdraw option and click on it. Select the ACH withdrawal method from the available options. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Double-check the account information linked to your ACH for accuracy. If necessary, add or update your bank account details. Review any transaction fees associated with the withdrawal. Confirm that all information is correct before proceeding. Click on the Submit button to initiate the withdrawal process. You will receive a confirmation message once the submission is successful. Check your email for any additional instructions or updates related to your withdrawal. It may take several business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. Monitor your bank account regularly during this waiting period. Once the funds are received, ensure that the transaction reflects correctly in your Paymaster account as well. If there are any issues, contact Paymaster support for assistance. Follow up to ensure the successful completion of your transaction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.